episode, you'll learn whether or not you should have a podcast trailer, and if so, what should you include in one.
In this video, I'll show you how to use the Music Remixer in DaVinci Resolve to clean up your dialogue when it competes with background music. Start by selecting the music track in your timeline. With the clip highlighted, open the inspector on the right side of the interface. Under the Audio section, you'll find a panel called Music Remixer. Turn it on to reveal the individual stem controls. You'll see sliders for elements like vocals, bass, drums, and other instrumental layers. These allow you to rebalance the track without needing separate audio stem files. To reduce any competing vocals inside the music, bring the vocal slider down until the dialogue becomes clear. You can fine-tune this to find the balance that fits your edit. If you want the music to feel even cleaner behind the speaker, experiment with lowering the drums or bass. Bringing these down slightly can open more space in the mix, especially during interviews or talking head videos. That's how you can use the Music Remixer in DaVinci Resolve without touching Fairlight or working with multi-track audio.